mo fine. Sọ pé mo fine. Sọ pé mo ṣe. Sọ pé mo ṣe. Oh, get it here. Say, okay, that's all it is. We are working. Sọ pé I say. Oh, mama mi. Sọ pé èmi ní màá ṣe nǹkan. Èkó ní ṣe mí. Ó yá pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ààrẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. And before you, I want to celebrate my brother, an amazing person that brought us to be here. I'm talking about Minister Opeyemi. Let's celebrate God in his life. He has brought us here for a purpose, and it's for us to bless God, to worship God together. You know one thing, just think about your life. God has been so good to you beginning of this year. I mean of God has been so good to you. Don't be ready to Jesus. Wave those hands to Jesus. God has been so good to you. You are intentionally about it. That God has been so faithful. Just look at the past years. Can we be told simple? When we turn on bed, it's just a privilege to be here. And that is why I want us to celebrate God together. Are you ready? Yes. Oh yeah, obey me, obey me. Obey me, obey me. My money is not on point. I can't balance in me, no matter. Èmi gangan mo balance. Ṣèbó Olúwa lórí World Bank. Mo mọ̀ pé Olúwa ń bẹ, òun bẹ fún mi. Ó yẹ mo ní obey me, obey me. Kí ló wí sẹ́? Obey me, obey me. My money is not on point. I can't balance in me, no matter. Èmi gangan mo balance. Ṣèbó Olúwa lórí World Bank. Mo mọ̀ pé Olúwa ń bẹ, òun bẹ fún mi. Ẹ̀yin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló pè é bí. Lágbèrè pàǹtí ẹ bí ẹ. Ọjà sọ́wọ́ wà lákàtì ẹ̀ tó ọ̀nà. Ó dáhùn ní ẹja ń sọ̀rọ̀. Sọ́wọ́ tó wà lákàtì ẹ̀ tó ọ̀nà. Ìran omi ọ̀fẹ́ náà là ń jẹ. Sọ pé mo fáìn. Sọ pé Jésù ò ṣe o. Oṣù ọ̀. Ṣé kẹ́tí mo sọ yìí ọba? Ó yẹ mo ní fún àbàdà. Kò má sọ bá dé rárá. Alúgbò ìgbàlè bàbá mi ò yẹ létí òkú pa fún àbàdà. Kò má sọ bá dé rárá. Ẹ̀yin náà ń gbàlà lẹ́hìn òsán. Ẹ̀yin náà ń gbàlà lẹ́hìn òsán. Ẹ̀yin náà ń ṣe ìbò láyé. Mo ní fún àbàdà. Kò má sọ bá dé rárá. Ogun tó bọ̀ wá bí òní bọ̀ lọ́lé, ohun sàmì ni òkè tó lè mi ló kọ́nà. Sọ́kè ogun tó bá mi wá bì í, kò ní bá lọ́lé. Ẹlòmíì jẹ́ bọ́ ìyá ojú wo Christmas ti ń bọ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n ò pé bóun ti fẹ́ ra síkè, bóun ti fẹ́ ra sọdún. Ṣùgbọ́n Jésù mi jù bá ń lọ. Lúkà ní bọ̀ sí ẹ́ lébọ̀ mi o. Ṣùgbọ́n Jésù mi jù bá ń lọ. Kí ló sọ? Ó yà kó kó tó sọ lé ayé lọ. Construction company wo ló bá ọkọ? Òpó tó sọlé ayé kò darí. Construction company wo ló bá ọkọ? Generator ṣèjì rẹ̀ ni àbí ti káńjí ilẹ̀ wíṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ olúwa ó ta lẹ́nu ilẹ̀ wíṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ olúwa ó ta lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ olúwa ìyá lórí. Ẹni bá mọ̀ pé olúwa bá ń ṣe báyìí sọ pé Jésù ó ṣe tó dá mi sí. Ẹni bá mọ̀ pé olúwa tí ò lè fọ́ọ̀mù wájú ọlọ́run tó mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run ti ṣe olóore. You want to express the glory, the greatness of God and the goodness of God in your life. All can do it. So I want to put it here. Ìwọ náà ló ń yan lọ́ọ̀ni. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ẹ̀dá o, are you ready? Ọ̀gá ló ní ìdáwó ìbàyàn ni. Are you ready? Ọlọ́run ti mú ọ̀bọ̀ láti January títí di àkókò yìí. Wà wá jó fọ́nà. Ó yá Ọlọ́run ló mú mi bọ̀ kí lè wí. Ènìyàn sọ pé mo fẹ́.
There's one thing I want you to do for me. Many of us are looking at see what kind of song is this? It's a classical collaboration by the grace of God, and I've been doing it for the past some years. I'm just a cantor by profession, and I can tell you that God has been so faithful, and you can praise God in a very dynamic and unique way, depending on your perspective about this goal we're talking about. So if you really go to dance, you're going to stand up on your feet, irrespective of who you are. I'm going to did. Are you ready to praise God now? Are you ready? Everybody
Jesus.